Change is a law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. Those were words uttered by the 35th President of the United States of America, John F. Kennedy. Of course, we know he must have been talking about politics, and his detractors did not like him much and ensured his future was short, quite literally. Yet his words remain true even today, and especially for entrepreneurs hustling to find their way through the messy jungle of business management. If you are a small or medium-sized enterprise, you may have noticed that over time, something has changed. Something is always changing. In fact, it is the only constant thing happening: change. Today, thousands of SMEs within Kenya are grappling with the inevitability of change. But what is so wrong about change? Well, nothing really. Many entrepreneurs will testify of their ability to embrace change, the freshness of newness. But there is a challenge. Many are unable to keep up with the sheer speed at which these changes are taking place. The new struggle has become the race to keep up. So what kind of changes are we talking about exactly? Technology and artificial intelligence continue to reshape the workplace, causing many jobs to disappear. In 2017, the half-life of a professional human skill used to be just 5 years. That has now dropped to only 2 to 3 years and will go down further in the coming months. The automated teller machine, or ATM, is perhaps the best example of technology that has made the human bank teller totally obsolete. That too is now being replaced by mobile banking. What will be next? Railway stations now have machines where passengers can buy and collect tickets. Have you been to the SGR terminus of late? Even tea harvesting is now automated, much to the chagrin of the typical tea picker in Kericho. Yet machines replacing workers is not a new phenomenon. The spinning jenny replaced weavers more than 200 years ago. Buttons displaced elevator operators, and the internet drove travel agencies out of business. But the drive to replace humans with machinery is accelerating as companies struggle to avoid workplace infections of COVID-19 and to keep operating costs low. This replacement of humans with machines may pick up more speed in coming months. Experts predict that robots could replace millions of workers globally in manufacturing over the next 5 years. The rationale? Machines don't fall ill. They don't need to isolate to protect peers. They don't need to take time off work. Yet, the real automation problem isn't so much a robot apocalypse. It is a failure by workers to acquire retraining in an accessible, efficient, well-informed, data-driven way in order to remain relevant. There is need to develop critical thinking, communication, and creative problem-solving skills and combine them with a desire for lifelong learning to be better prepared for inevitable changes ahead.